My name is Sudheesh. I'm the co-founder and CEO of TinyFish. TinyFish is about building what we call a new category of agent called enterprise web agents. The moment you mention agents, people think of a human talking to a machine, coding agents, agents for customer support. We are taking it to another level, which is machines talking to machines at massive scale. And there's only one thing that we are focused on, which is browsers. Our technology is a platform that spins up massive number of what we call nano agents. They are trained to do a very specific task on a website really well. From LLMs, they learn them, but they decouple from LLM and do that autonomously. And just like in large ocean, there are like schools of fish. And they take the shape of a large fish because that's the only defense they have. Our TinyFish agents, these nano agents, swarm at the goals that you have set on a website and complete it, and then comes back with results. We need to find all this data and figure out how does these things fit in. And that's where the MongoDB's Voyage AI come into play. We use Voyage AI across the system. For example, in product matching, we use a 3.5 embedding model to understand the competitor's catalog and then create what we think is the right embedding for that using Voyage. And then subsequently, we use reranking to understand exactly the product that should be similar to my product that I'm selling. These sort of use cases ultimately turns into unstructured data, which we push into MongoDB's databases as well. So Atlas is part of our customers' workflow. Voyage AI is part of how it is built, and our logic of browsers and all this interaction turns it into complete use cases that enterprises can deploy immediately. Ultimately, internet is this vast amount of data, but it's also where all the noise remains. So we take the signal out of that noise and pump it through this process into a single data source. And from there, business processes will start happening and value creation happens. And good news is, when it comes to document storage, when it comes to unstructured NoSQL, MongoDB is the place.